Today our topic is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity consists of two words. Cyber means data, network information or computer network, and security means to protect and save. Usually we protect our precious things like gold, money from thieves, but nowadays as world is moving toward technology, we should protect our data that we are having in our devices like computers, cell phones or USBs, and also from the online platforms where we share our sensitive information in terms of passwords, credit card details to the websites or in emails that can easily be stolen by the attackers and can be used to blackmail us or misuse it. So basically, let's discuss some type of cyber attacks. First one is phishing attack. In this method, the user receives spam mails or messages regarding his interest in the random website, and he enters his credentials to the given website and hacker steals his information. Second one is malware attack. In this method, user downloads the unauthorized software that has malicious email attachment, because of which attacker can easily access your computer data and private information. The last one is man in the middle attack. In this method, attackers usually track your IP address and interrupt communication between user and application and impersonate themselves in the conversation and steal the information between the user and application. Now let's move to the hacker, as we have many type of hacker, but for now we will see two of them. First one is white hat hackers. They are type of hackers who are professionals with expertise in the cyber security. They are authorized or certified to hack the systems. These white hat hackers work for governments or organizations by getting into the system. Second one is black hat hackers. They are also knowledgeable computer experts but with the wrong intention. They attack other systems to get access to the systems where they don't have authorized entry. Now let's quickly discuss how we can save ourselves from all these hackers and attackers. First one is firewalls. It acts as a barrier between a trusted system or network and outside connections such as internet and protect the system from any suspicious activities. Second one is strong password. One should start using a strong password that cannot easily be encrypted. It could be the only way to protect your data that you are storing online or in your devices. Third one is antivirus software. Use antivirus software that would pop up when any suspicious activity is done on your system. Nowadays, one should protect his/her data to save themselves from these cyber attack. Hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching.